If you want bigger biceps, but all you're doing is going to the gym, doing lots of random curls and hoping for the best, this video is going to change how you approach your bicep training and get you some real results. I'm going to show you how to emphasize the short head, the long head, and the often overlooked brachioradialis, which will make your arms look bigger, thicker, and fuller from every angle. Let's talk anatomy really quickly. So the bicep has two heads. You've got the short head, which runs down the inside of the arm. You've got the long head, which runs down the outside of the arm, which gives you the peak. And then you've got the brachioradialis, which is technically a forearm muscle, but it will add serious thickness to the upper arm when it's developed. And here's the thing that a lot of people miss. Your shoulder position will determine where the emphasis on the bicep is during a curl. So you can't isolate, both heads will work, but you can make a bias towards either the short head or the long head, determining on whether the shoulder is forwards or back. The short head works harder when the shoulders are more forwards. This is because the long head crosses the shoulder joint, so when the shoulder comes forwards, the long head shortens and the short head will contribute more. Good examples of these would include preacher curls, spider curls, cable curls with the elbow slightly forwards, and concentration curls. Drive your elbows forwards on these exercises and you'll feel a really good squeeze on the inner part of your arms. If you want more bicep peak, you need to train the long head with your shoulders more behind your body. As the arms move back into slight shoulder extension, it puts the long head into a stretch position, and this stretch is really powerful for growth. Some of the exercises that put more emphasis on the long head include incline curls, Bayesian curls, and drag curls, or any other exercise where your shoulders are back behind your torso. Let your arms drift back and feel the stretch at the bottom. This is why incline curls are so good, because the stretch is insane. And if you want that side profile arm peak, this is your money maker. Now here's the difference between good arms and really impressive arms, the brachioradialis. These muscles work when you go to a neutral grip or a pronated grip, and that's because the biceps are strongest with an underhand grip. So when you take that away, they lose mechanical advantage and the brachioradialis has to work harder. Good examples of these exercises would include dumbbell hammer curls, cross-body curls, rope hammer curls, or reverse grip barbell or easy bar curls. If your arms look flat from the side, then this muscle is probably underdeveloped. So when it comes to programming, you don't need 9 variations of bicep curls. Pick one exercise with the shoulders forward slightly, pick one exercise with the shoulders back, and pick one exercise with the hands in a neutral or pronated position. So an example of this could be preacher curls, incline curls, and dumbbell hammer curls. Simple, complete, effective. The biggest mistakes you see in bicep training are people swinging weights around. They're not thinking about shoulder position at all. They'll never train in a stretch position, and they just throw lots of random exercises together to get a really good pump. And trust me, I've done that. It's good fun, but it doesn't get you results. Okay, you need to treat the bicep like any other muscle, put it into your plan, and get progression week by week. Remember, shoulder position matters, grip position matters, and arm position matters. So the takeaway from today should be this. Shoulders forwards will hit the short head, shoulders back will hit the long head, and neutral or pronated grip will hit the brachioradialis. If you train all three things intentionally, the biceps will look complete and they will look really good from every angle. I'm going to do more of these videos on other body parts, so hit subscribe and hopefully I'll see you back on the channel soon.